So, making this video because I'm frustrated, and if you watching this, you're probably frustrated. But yeah. So I have a LaLanne's Power Juicer Elite model MT-1066, 120 volt. It's 250 watts. And I love this juicer still now because I got it back working. But I just wanted to make a quick video for somebody who probably having the same issues as me. So let's get to it. First thing is, this is the juicer. Excuse my breath. I always use a Walmart bag or whatever to catch the trash so that I don't have to clean it out every time I use it. But usually when it's not turning on, it's because this lever here is not it's not coming in contact and all the way properly, or it's because this back piece here is not connecting here. So there's a hole there with that little piece right there. It goes inside. And so when it goes inside, you can tilt that and then you'll hear it. Hear that click? So it has to click. But this particular time, I was actually juicing and it just stopped. So I wasn't sure what was going on. And so, not sure if you guys know this, but when I got this, I don't remember if I got it with the box. It's been like 8 years. But there's a button on the bottom that's right there. And that button says push to reset. So if yours is not working, you might want to push that button. I pushed it, and mine is working now. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Any questions, leave them in the section below. I didn't want to drag this video out and make it longer than it needed to be. Hopefully this helps somebody. Peace.